Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now you're coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color, the alphabets of A. Kids, now draw B. B for ball, V for bat, and use yellow color, the alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, C for cat, C for car, and use red color, the alphabets of C. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use black color, Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use green color, the alphabets of E. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use blue color, O-N-E, 1. Kids, now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color, T-W-O-2. Kids, now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use red color, T-H-R-W-3. Kids, now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use black color, F-O-U-R, 4, the numbers of 4. Kids, now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use green color, F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now draw shapes. And first you draw square, the shape of square, and use blue color, the shape of square. Kids, now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use yellow color, yellow color. The shape of circle. Kids, now a triangle. The shape of triangle, and use red color, red color. Kids, now a heart. The shape of heart, and use black color, black color. The shape of heart. Kids, lastly draw star. The shape of star, and use green color, green color. The shape of star. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.